Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Recently I got an email from my buddy Arnold Strawn, and he was sharing with me about his vacation in Branson, Missouri, and while there he was in an antiques shop and ran across something kind of cool. Well, in that I'm working on the telephone booth, he said it reminded him kind of that of an old kit from that era and another one of those odd show rods. And he picked it up, and guess what I got in the mail today? We're going to take a look at it because, guys, this thing is cool. Stick around. Okay, let's get a look at this thing. Man, good packaging. All right. I have got to make a confession about this one, guys. I have never, to my knowledge, I never remember seeing this kit, and this is still factory sealed too. I looked it up in advance on ScaleMates, and let's see if it's on here. 1970 by Revell Incorporated, Venice, California. Yeah, so ScaleMates said the same thing. Apparently this was only issued one time, and that was in 1970. This is the Kookie Kab meter cheater, the eye-popping traffic stop and riot of a Paris taxi. It looks like, based on the hood up here, it looks like a Renault. But there's something really cool about this, and I'm going to share that with you here in just a second, too. Now, look how small the box is, though. It's a really small box compared for... And at first I thought, well, maybe it's a 32nd scale, but it says 1/25th scale. And if you remember all those cars, like the telephone booth I was sharing with you, from Carl Casper, the George Barris stuff, and all that stuff from that time, Tom Daniels, and I built a ton of those old show cars like that. But this taxi, check this out. You got an hourglass there. You got the bulb horn. I'd imagine this luggage, the guitar case and the suitcase, I'd imagine all that stuff's in there. But a hot rod taxi cab. A Paris taxi cab. But yeah, as soon as I saw this, I thought, oh, you got to be kidding. I love it. And it seriously, even being a builder way back then in the 60s and 70s, and I thought I had seen everything. Maybe I did see it. I just don't remember. But I do not recall this kit at all. But I'm old, so maybe I forgot. Let's take a look at some of this stuff here. Original from 1970. And of course, Revell's little story that went along with it. It's blue on the front of the box, but check this out, the green with the white. There's a lot of options there. Oh, look at the flower boxes around it. And I'd imagine this stuff on the windshield there, if you can see it, like a little filigree or something around that. This one, even though it's factory sealed, I got a feeling this might get built, guys. Here we go, the Kookie Kab meter cheater. Wraparound flower box. Detailed all chrome Corvair. Hey, it is. It's a Corvair engine back there. Check it out. All chromed Corvair engine and rear suspension, Goodyear slicks, in rear narrow up front tires, drop front axle. This is all era for the 60s, 70s. Chrome mag wheels, acetylene headlamps, carriage lamp, tail lights, steerable. I'm trying to read this over the top of the camera, guys. Sorry. Steerable front wheels. How about that? One-piece fenders with upholstered running boards. Upholstered? We'll check that out. Hourglass taximeter, bulb honk horn. Well, it's some of the stuff that I was pointing out up front. Custom bucket seats, luggage rack, and guitar case. So all that is there. Attaché case, clear plastic windows. But is that cool? Hey, put in the comments if you guys had one of these or know anything about it. This is just cool. And again, it's still sealed up. But honestly, I'm going to have to be kind of like Matthew over at Model Car Videos. This one intrigues me enough that I've got a feeling I might build it. And I'm already thinking this little flower box that goes around the outside. I'm thinking a trip to Michael's to get those little bitty like dollhouse flowers and stuff to dress that up some. But we're going to have to do a box opening on this down the road when it's time to build it. But I'm not going to do that right now. But I just think this is cool. And again, put in the comments if you had one of these, you've built one of these, or anything like that. Because this is a first for me, which really makes me wonder how many other kits I might have missed. And I thought I was pretty knowledgeable on a lot of these old things like this, but I can't lie, I've just never seen this one before. But now I have. All right, guys, the Kookie Kab meter cheater. That's it. Guys, appreciate you hanging around for this one. Kind of cool, though, isn't it? Y'all have a great one. God bless. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.